It is currently 5:30 a.m. We have about 12-hour drive to the Alps. If you were to tell me that I'm gonna be going Alps this year, I'd say, no way. Well, here we are. 12 hours to Lake Garda. Still dark. Engine check on deck. Car practically overloaded. We are literally slammed. So let's start. We have crossed over to Czechia, or the Republic of Czech. Now, Czech shouldn't be that bad, but I'm not looking forward to Austria with the Austrian police. One of my exhaust valves did break. I had to use some zip ties. The new motor is already ordered to get it going, but it's only going to arrive once we are going to be back. First checkpoint at McDonald's. We already got stopped by the cops. It was just a checkpoint. As soon as I've heard that they're gonna inspect my car, kind of freaked out, but they kind of let us go. But as I was moving off, they had a look at the exhaust. Obviously, I've asked to turn my car off to save on fuel. Not that they would smell a lot of exhaust fumes. Now, the main reason behind our trip, okay, my girlfriend is over in the toilet at McDonald's, but should be interesting. Should be fun. So we are currently driving into Austria. Well, technically we are already in Austria. I am so scared. Oh, there's a police there already. But there was a police dude sitting in one of those blue boxes. I just drove up, put my window down, said hello. He just looks at me. What's the point? Like, what is he trying to achieve there? But, oh, my stomach, it just cramped. He was looking at me very weird because as I pulled up, he just listened to the exhaust. That was the very first thing that happened. Okay, let's just hope no more of that. Enjoy Austria. Hopefully I enjoy it too. We've been driving through Austria for about 2 hours and I was stressing out, but to be honest, I have not seen so many thumbs up, so many waves, just people cheering, ever in a week that I've seen in a single just 2-hour journey here so far. We still got plenty more to go because we are going to go to Graz. We went past Vienna, so there's still, again, a lot more distance to cover in Austria. I'm really, really hopeful that it's all going to be just the way it is. We're gonna have to refuel once, and if you ever are in Austria, you can actually check on Google Maps the prices of fuels, but also I'd recommend pulling off to the side if you want to fuel your car, because on the highway it is extremely expensive, and you can get your petrol cheaper by 50 cents, if not more. Let's keep going. Eight hours down, 4 more to go, almost an entire tank of fuel gone. But to be honest, I did not expect Austria to be so scenic. So many mountains, chill little villages we are driving through. People on the road are calm. There aren't as many modified cars. I've actually seen one modified car and it was an Audi R8. But all the other cars, very, very stock, even M3s and M4s that we went by, doesn't make me any more calm, but still nice to see. But check this out, look at those mountains. Even just driving on those roads, you don't really want to be, going fast. You kind of want to be looking and observing the surroundings because it is just such a vibe. It makes you feel so calm, and I didn't expect Austria to be this nice. I was stressed. Still kind of am until we leave, just in case any cops would want to, check out the exhaust and a few other mods. But yeah, 4 more hours, 433 kilometers. I still don't know what we are going to eat, but let's keep going. Buongiorno, welcome to Italy. We are currently 3.5 hours away from where we are meant to be going. We're almost there. We stopped at McDonald's. We had this double chicken nugget burger thing. It was quite good. Austria has some nice mountains, but also a pretty decent McDonald's. Italy. Italy has some pretty lit tunnels. The lighting is so even, it would be a joy to record here, and we will definitely do it. Unlike over Poland. Austria wasn't bad too, but man, Italy tunnels, top spec. We have 5 minutes left to the destination. The roads in Italy are actually quite nice. The views are great. The little town we drove by, very, very, very nice. Now, I'm not sure if we will have any energy to show the room, anything else, or to even grab food. Because all I really would want to do now is just to jump into bed. Obviously, first you gotta shower, you know? You're not gonna go to bed dirty, or are you?
Ciekawe, czy to w ogóle ten budynek. Jaki jest ten kot? Ojej, udało się. Tak, ojej, jestem dumna.
There was a spider nest inside. We made it.